Good girl.
Hi, sweet pea.
Sound like she said hi.
Yeah. How are you? Are you hungry? Huh? Doodle shabu, baby girl. Huh? You hungry? Say, Mom, or feed me. Okay.
Oh, wait. Maybe you should change her. Yeah.